Hi there and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to talk about shipping and delivery. But before moving to Shopify and starting to set this up, I need to tell you two things. First, shipping and delivery are very related to your business, which means that everything I'm going to talk about in this video is general. I can't go into details because your shipping conditions, your rates are very related to where you are shipping from and to where you are shipping to. So you have to go back to your own shipping conditions and apply them inside of your Shopify. The second thing I want to talk about is that while selling online, you have to know that paying extra fees, which includes paying for shipping, is one of the biggest objections people face while buying online. People don't like to pay for shipping. They don't like to pay extra fees. So providing free shipping is always something that will increase your conversion rate, even if you need to increase your product price in order to cover the shipping. But your customers don't like to pay extra fees in addition to your product price. So if it is very difficult to you to offer free shipping, I recommend you to offer free shipping with conditions, and in this course I'm going to show you an app that will help you do that even more. But I recommend you to offer free shipping with conditions. For example, you can offer free domestic shipping, you can offer free shipping for orders above $100 for certain countries, and so on. However, the ultimate case, the perfect case, the case that will get you the most of sales is to offer free shipping. But each business is different and each product is different, so it depends on your conditions. However, keep this in mind that providing free shipping and free shipping conditions will most probably increase your conversion rate. So in order to access the shipping and delivery section on Shopify, you go to settings and you go to shipping and delivery. Okay, so Shopify, first decide the location, the local delivery, the location where you are sitting, where you are actually located, and provide several options like local pick up, like local delivery, and so on. Let's start with the shipping first. Okay, here we can manage shipping rates. Maybe you are doing worldwide shipping. In case you are doing worldwide shipping, it means that you have to precise the shipping value for different countries. Okay, for example, you might want to have the same shipping fees for all of Europe and a different shipping fee for USA or for Canada. So you have to precise that in here. Okay, so this is my location. I'm shipping from here, let's say, and I'm shipping to the rest of the world. This was set up by default by Shopify. Shopify by default gave this shipping rate. Now let's say, for example, I have different shipping conditions for Europe. So I need to have a shipping zone. I need to create a shipping zone, which is Europe. I'm going in here and I'm calling it Europe. Then I'm going in here and I'm going to also choose Europe. I'm not sure why it's not showing, but if you scroll in here, you will be able to see Europe. Just 1 second, this is Europe. Okay, so in this case, I'm precising that I have a shipping zone, which is Europe, and I'm going to precise the rates for Europe, which means each time someone from Europe buys a product from my store, this rate will be applied at the checkout phase. I'm going to click on done. And now here you have to add the rate. So either you add the rate by yourself or you use your carrier or app to calculate the rates. Okay, if you go with your set up your own rate, you have to call the rate. Let's say it Europe. Then in here you have to precise the price. Okay, but you might be saying, but what if my price is related to the package size and weight? You go in here and you click on add conditions, and you precise how your price will be specified based on the item weight or based on the order price. So let's say it will be based on the order weight. So I will say that the minimum weight is 10, 10 is too much, 0.1, and the maximum weight is 1. and I'm going to say that the price for this shipping is, for example, $10. Okay, and I'm going to add this one. Okay, now let's say I want to add a new condition. Let's say, for example, for packages above 1 kilogram, I'm going to increase the price. I click in here. Also, I add a rate. I call it, for example, Europe 2. I precise in here that the conditions that this is applicable for items of 1.1 up to 2, and I will write in here $15. Okay, and so on. I add my rates. Same for the other shipping zone. I precise my shipping zones, and I precise the rates. Now let's say I want to add a rate that's calculated by the carrier or the app to calculate the rate. I click in here, and in here I choose my delivery. For example, I can choose UPS. It's a very good delivery company. You can, for example, choose DHL. It depends on you. Let's say I pick this one. In here, you precise the services, and as I said before, this is very related to what kind of contract you have with your shipping company. So you can precise which service you want. Let's say I want to prefer UPS standard. If you want to know what is UPS standard, you go in here, you go to Google, and you try to understand what are the UPS standard shipping conditions, what are the services they are offering, so you can precise which one of these fits you better. Okay, and you have to know that prices of these services are different. So for example, this service might be less expensive than this service, and so on. Okay, if you scroll down in here, you can add this one to add future services if you wish. And in here, you also can add handling fees if you have handling fees, if you want your customers to be paying handling fees, and you click on done. Okay, so this is how you precise your shipping zones and your shipping rates. Okay, I recommend you, in order to make things as simple as possible, and if you want to add the rates manually, I recommend you to group people. For example, for this 10 countries, I'm going to offer free shipping. For these 10 countries, I'm going to offer $10 shipping, and so on, in order to make things easier for you. Now going back to our shipping and delivery in here in Shopify. First, you have local delivery. Let's say you offer local delivery, you have to manage in here. Here you have local pickup also if you offer this option, and here you can precise the package size. Okay, so this is the normal default package size. In here you can add a package. Okay, whether you are offering boxes, envelopes, soft packages, you precise the size, the weight, and you give it a name. Okay, and in here you precise the carrier packaging if you have one, and you click on add package. Here you can choose between the available shipping, and here you can check on your rates. As I told you before, there is DHL, UPS, and USPS. I love UPS. They are very good. They provide good prices. You can use them if you wish, or you can use DHL. And here also you can create your labels. For example, when you receive an order, you can directly create the label on Shopify and add it to the product, to the order. And in here you have other options that also you can customize. So these are the shipping and delivery conditions. As I said before, you have to keep in mind that they are very related to your business. And when you start setting up your business, you might be going as simple as selling products from your house. So things might not be that complicated. However, these are things that you should be deciding on and implementing here on Shopify. So this is it for this lecture. I hope you liked it, and I hope it will help you to add your shipping and delivery conditions. Stay tuned with me, and let's meet in the next lecture, where we are also going to talk about very important things related to creating your own Shopify store.